Greetings punters, Ben here. Welcome to game 331, which is Ross Jenkins' Venom number 3, first appearance of Null. It's probably pronounced Null, but I'm going to say Canal just to annoy the Venom fans. Alright, we are live. Monday, August 3rd, 2:08 p.m. I'll never remember to press that. Alright, 2:08 p.m. We are off and running. Alright, we have 100 spots. Scott at number 1. And Dastardly Dak at number 100. Alright. Yeah, just checking. Alright, Scott at number 1. Nothing odd in there. Alright, Dak at 100. Alrighty, 3 dice roll. Okay, 3 and 3 is 6, and 6 is 12, 6 and 3 is 9, and 3 is 12. Alright, here's our list. Let's go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is 7, 8, 9. Alright, that was 10 times. 10 times, 2 off the total. 3, 3, 6, 6 is 12. 2 more to go. Alright. Alright, that was 11, so next one is for the win. Here we go, winner of Venom number 3, first appearance of Canal. Alright, there we are, 12 times, this is it. Some elevator music. And Stephen Reynolds. Congrats, Steve. Alright. Get in contact with Ross to claim your prize. We are done. Thanks for playing one and all. Catch you next time.